Hi everyone, welcome to the channel where learning English is easy and fun. Let's learn today's vocabulary. Let's begin.
Apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes, pineapple, papaya, watermelon, strawberry, cherries, pear, peach, plum, kiwi, pomegranate, guava, dragon fruit, lychee, coconut, lemon, sweet lime, custard apple, jackfruit, avocado, apricot, fig, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, mulberry, starfruit, passion fruit, tamarind, date, persimmon, durian, mangosteen, lungon, sapodilla, quince, gooseberry, cranberry, pomelo, soursop, breadfruit, tangerine, mandarin orange, nectarine, cantaloupe, honeydew melon.